Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, we'll be unboxing and setting up the Logitech Wave Keys keyboard, which is a brand new addition to the Ergo series of products from Logitech. Sliding out the cardboard box, you'll first see the Wave Keys itself, which we'll set aside for now. Beneath that, you have the setup guide, and at the bottom right, you have the Logibolt receiver. Now, unwrapping the Wave Keys, you can see that the wavy ergonomic design ensures your hands are in a natural typing position, and you also get a cushioned wrist rest attached to the bottom. On the top, you have your power switch, and at the back you have two kickstands and the battery compartment, which also houses a slot to store the Logibolt receiver. You can connect your Wave Keys to your computer via Bluetooth or with the included Logibolt receiver. Let's take a look at the Bluetooth setup process first. First, remove the battery tab from your Wave Keys. Your keyboard comes with the power key in the on position, and once you remove the battery tab, your Logitech Wave Keys are automatically powered on. Go to your Bluetooth settings, and under Add a Device window, your Wave Keys will be detected. Just click on it, follow the on-screen instructions, and you have successfully connected your keyboard. In case you want to connect the keyboard with the included Logibolt receiver, first plug the receiver into your computer. Now, pull out the battery tab and the keyboard will power on and automatically connect to your Logibolt receiver. Now, to assign the proper keyboard layout for your operating system, press the following key sequences for 3 seconds. If you're a Windows user, press the Function and P keys. If you're on a Mac, press the Function and O keys. And if you're a Chrome user, press the Function and C keys. I hope that shows you all of the features of the Logitech Wave Keys. If you have any questions or for more information, please feel free to reach out to us at our support site. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.